Hey guys, welcome to this Python tutorial. In this one we're going to be taking a look at comments in Python. Now, comments are a very useful tool that you can use in every single language, in every single code editor. And it is a very useful tool for debugging or for just making a comment for you to remember what you did in that paragraph. Or maybe you have a friend who's looking at your code and you want him to understand what you're doing. You can put a comment. How does this work? Well, you can do two different types of comments. In Python, the syntax is different for every single language, but it does the same thing. In Python, to just put a comment in one line, you can use the hash, which makes the line change to a grayish color, in my case, which I'm using PyCharm right now. So now the computer will not read or cannot understand what this means and will just leave it. It will not use the code. If we go ahead and run the code, you can see that it doesn't say hello world because it is in a comment. Now, what if we wanted to make more than one line a comment? Imagine that we're doing some debugging and we want to see what the code would do if we didn't use a specific line. Then we have to use simple quotes, 3 to be exact. 3 at the beginning just to mark where we want it to begin, and 3 at the bottom to mark where we want the comment to end. And if we go and write another if down here, you see it's not a different color, so it is working. It's working as it should. So if we run the code again, hello world will appear because it isn't in a comment anymore, and this variable and if statement will not be shown because it is in a comment. What are comments very useful for? If I wanted to explain that this is a variable and an if. Just for you to explain what you're trying to do, imagine that you're working with a lot of people on the same project and you're using a lot of code. Maybe they don't know what you're doing or why you're doing this. You can write a comment and explaining it to them. So I have a variable here that is equal to 20, and if that variable is equal to 22, then you can print x is equal to 22. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that this was some help for you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.